you're out there in the bass boat and you've been just banging the waves all day long, pounding the banks, fishing as hard as you can, and you're just, every little cast you're making, your tense, you're trying to hit all the spots just right, and it's like sitting in a tree stand. Everything just starts tightening up on you, and that brace gives you the support that you need.
If anybody's skeptic, all you gotta do is try it on. It's absolutely the most comfortable back brace. Being in construction, I've tried several. Some of them limit mobility and agility. This, you don't even notice that it's on.
Conditions get rough. You might set the hook hard on a fish or have to struggle pushing the boat up and off a ramp or something like that and strain yourself. And it's just something I can put on that gets you through the day and makes the pain go away.